Say it.
Okay, Stella.
Open it up.
That's from Grandpa and Auntie.
Oh! Oh my God! Cocky Mochi!
What?
Cocky Mochi, I said! Cocky Mochi!
I think there's. What's this? Oh, is that more Kaki Mochi?
And more Cocky Mochi! And more Cocky Mochi!
How many Kaki Mochis is it?
There's 3 Cocky Mochi! Hey, Mommy! Look what we got!
What's in here?
Ooh! Yeah, look at these yummy.
What's in here?
Oh, yummy!
Oh, don't spill it.
Jelly beans.
And what's this? More yummies?
Look, yummy jelly beans.
Here's a nice picture of Grandpa and Auntie.
Look at yummy jelly beans.
This is of no concern, apparently.
Stella, who sent you all of
Yeah,
this?
who sent you all this?
Ooh, look at the yummy jelly.
I see the jelly beans.
Who
Who
sent it to
mailed you
you?
all this?
It's Grandpa and Auntie.
Look,
Yeah, that's nice.
that's a bunny.
Oh, look at those presents. You want to open these presents?